So this I itself, in front of it, every, not only physical things, not only the five elemental combination in its innumerable aspects, not only that, but subtle things like feelings and thoughts, space, time, all of these things are appearing for the same one, the one who perceives, who ultimately sees everything. Where is its location? This ultimate seer, where is its location? Where is its address? All you can say is somehow it's myself. Myself in this body feels somewhere here. It's being felt in me. Maybe I cannot point to the place. I cannot say actually it's here 2 digits from the solar plexus. No, not even that. And it's not my third eye or the other 2 eyes. It's not, no. But just a sense that it's here. It's in me. It's taking place in me. I'm the seer of all of this. The most subtle thing seems to have to report to something here. I'm the one who sees it. All of life is right here.